I sure do love the Nucamp product. Hey everybody, it's Alex with Stop On Yellow RVing. Today I'm back. I've got the 2026 Nucamp Tag XL Black Canyon. So, new for 2026, the boondock package is standard. So your boondock package is going to be your off-road aggressive tires, your boondock grab handle right there, kind of this platform here as well. Also this big diamond plate tub right up here as well. This one's also a Black Canyon, so that's going to give you a secondary 120 watt solar panel in addition to your already standard solar panel that comes on the tag. That's also going to give you these underglow lights as well, and tank heaters. So this one is in the charcoal sidewall. The charcoal is an upcharge. You can either do them in silver, I believe white, and then charcoal, or you can do a whole custom color if you did want to order one through Nucamp. This one does have the clamshell galley kitchen off the back. So back here, you're going to have your sink, one-piece stainless steel. You're going to have storage right under it. Nice faucet head right here. Little kind of spice rack. It's going to be to work your water pump, your accent light, and then to turn your tank heaters on and off right there. One of the best parts about camping is going to be doing some outdoor cooking. So you do have a 2-burner cooktop back here, as well as a microwave down below. You also have this nice accent light right back here, really lights it up on top of your light that's already on the roof or on the ceiling here. You get this nice cutting board with the Nucamp etched right into it. Very high quality stuff. And then you do have a spot to hang some utensils maybe, 12 volt outlet, USB A and C, and then you've got 110 outlets right here too. Cooler does pull out. It comes with the 12 volt Camco cooler. So you refrigerate all your foods in there. And even if you aren't having it plugged in, you can still use it like a regular cooler. Throw some ice in there. Looks like there is a drain plug in the bottom of here if need be. Yep, so you can drain it out. Just make sure you take it off your slide out tray before draining it. Looking at the back here, you got a propane quick connect there, so if you do want to set up an outside grill, you got your rear lights. Then we'll drop the hatch down. So very iconic looking. You got your license plate holder there. Then you got your solar panels right up top, and this does come standard with a 100 amp hour lithium battery, or you can do an upgraded Battleborn package from Nucamp. This pops right up. Over on your side here, you've got a vent here for your AC. Down this way, you got your 30 amp shore power plug. Over this way, outside shower. And then you got your water tank fill there or city water connection. This unit's about 13 feet overall, and dry weight's only like 1,500 pounds with the extra boondocking and Black Canyon package on them. So towable by most smaller SUVs. A lot of vehicles are going to be able to tow this for you. It does have electric brakes on it though, so you will need an electric brake controller in your vehicle. Coming to the front here, you got this nice oversized diamond plate tub. And this is going to house your propane, and then this is going to be for your 100 amp hour lithium battery. You can see you've definitely got plenty of space up in this tub for some extra storage, or if you wanted to add more batteries down here, you can do that too. You got these dual pane acrylic windows here, tinted as well, which is very nice. And those open up pretty widely, so you can get a nice cross breeze going through here if you are doing some dry camping. Checking out the roof up here. Looks like you got a little vent fan, and you do have the roof rack, which I believe is another option. And you can move this roof rack as well. You can see there's tracks here, so you can slide it in whatever position you need to. Coming on the inside, so it's a nice kind of cozy space. You got the 2 mattresses that do flip back like that one is, so you've got kind of a headrest there or a pillow. You've got some storage under here too, and it is on a gas strut, so that stays up, and pretty good storage down here. And you got another one that flips up right there, another one in the middle here. So even for a smaller unit, lots of good storage. These slide open, a little bit of storage there, shelf. a little cup holder spot right here too. Pretty fancy. Before we check out the inside, I just want to say if you guys have made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Moving on, give you another pan around the side here. You do have windows on both sides, your passenger and driver side. All right, let's hop in here. So on the interior, you've got an AC, you've got a heater there. You will need to be hooked up to shore power to run either of those because they are electric, or have a generator on board. And then you got some storage right up top. And then this is all true hardwood cabinetry as well. So very high quality Amish built stuff. Storage shelf here, a little storage shelf up here. Even if you are dry camp and can't use your AC, you do have this fantastic fan in here too, so that'll definitely bring in a lot of air. It is intake or exhaust as well. Up top, you've got some more storage. Looks like you've got your solar charge controller in here, and then that's where your AC plugs in. Coming down this way, you do have more storage, pretty much same as on the other side. Then you got another shelf up there, dual pane acrylic windows. And then up towards the front, you got more storage. You have this nice stargazer window too. But if you're laying down out camping, you can look right up and you can see right outside at night. And for this being a smaller unit, it is very spacious. I'm about 6 foot tall. I'm a bigger guy, so I can fit nice and comfortably in something like this. So this has been a pretty good overview of the 2026 Nucamp Tag. Not too many changes from the 2025 other than the Boondock package now being standard. No more classic package on it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, maybe watch another video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.